Guys, welcome back to the channel. In this simple video we are going to be checking out if you are eligible for the Solana OG allocation on PAWS. It's very simple. So if at all you have ever used these services, what you're seeing here, if you have made any transaction on Jupiter, so they are in two categories. We have the MemeFi allocation, meme coin allocation and the DeFi allocation. So if at all you have ever used these platforms or traded these tokens, you may be eligible for the PAWS airdrop. Okay, so if you have very many wallets, make sure you go and connect to the site and check out if at all you are eligible for the airdrop. So even if you never farmed this airdrop, they put aside some allocation for the Solana OG. So that's why you're seeing here Solana OG checker. So if at all you have used those services, I'm going to leave the link to this simple markup Notion document so that you can go ahead and see if at all you made any transaction or interaction with these platforms or tokens, and check if you are eligible for the airdrop. So we are going to go inside this wallet. So yeah, this is the wallet that I'm going to be using to check, because I've been using this wallet to interact with those platforms and trading some of those meme coins. So I'm going to click here where you're seeing this search icon. You give it some time to load. Alright, so here we can type in the URL here, but I'm going to be following the official site within the Phantom wallet. So I'm going to click on sites, and here we have it as number 1, PAWS. Oh, I removed my camera. Alright, we are back. Click on PAWS, give it some time to load, and as you can see here we have what they call the TG or Telegram dashboard. If at all you farmed this airdrop on Telegram, you can click there, but right now we are focusing on the OG checker. So Solana OG, you're going to click here, Solana OG, and then we are going to connect our Solana wallet. I'm going to click on Phantom. If you have Backpack, use that, but we're in Phantom right now, so I'm going to click on Phantom, and it has automatically connected. If at all it shows you some pop-up, click on Confirm. So we are going to click here on Check PAWS, and I'm going to sign this transaction. So it's gasless. You just have to sign this message so that they check on the blockchain if at all you made any interaction with those services that they listed. Confirm, and that's it. I'm eligible for 5,000 tokens. Alright, so that's how you check for your OG allocation on PAWS. Just visit the site. I'm going to leave the link to this site. You can put it inside your your Phantom wallet browser, connect your wallet, and check if at all you are eligible. So even if you never farmed the original project on Telegram, you will still be eligible to claim these tokens because you interacted with the services that they listed on the other website. So here, what I know, I was eligible for this Pingu airdrop. I had this, and I'm still staking some. I had this, so these 3 tokens. Then interacting with these DeFi projects, I interacted with this, I use this, I always swap on this, I always also trade on this. I don't have the Solana phone. I had some Jito sometime back then, and I don't have this. So if I told you have been using these services, make sure you go and check out if you are eligible for the airdrop. Then in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can check for your how you can check the Telegram dashboard and see how much you got in the PAWS airdrop. So this is what I managed to get for using those platforms. So I have like 2 allocations, the one for the Telegram dashboard, which is here, and also this wallet or address that I've checked also qualifies for 5,000 PAWS, and they're going to be listing on the 18th of this month. Peace. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.